This type of structures, pergolas, these also cuts glare and provide good outdoor sitting areas. These pergolas adds to aesthetics also. Another slide showing how pergolas can cut effect of solar radiations and glare. In this slide we can see these are again pergolas. See this area, this is almost shaded with little bit of sun rays. So this is a good outside usable space in hot and humid climate, for hot and humid climate. These are pergolas. Slide showing lifting of building above sites dense vegetation which hinders free movement of air. Sorry. This is very good example. See here, this is huge green vegetation which is typical characteristics of hot and humid climate. So this vegetation will reduce the speed of wind. To have a good speed wind, we need to raise our buildings. So here they have raised the buildings and provided windows. So this will allow breeze to go inside the building. And see here also, there is a gap between main roof, there are ventilators. These will also dissipate the building's heat effectively. Slide showing how scattered placement of building blocks helps to catch wind effectively. This is a plan, simple slide showing plan of the buildings. This is one building block, this is second building block, this is third building block. This is the direction of the wind. See how wind is welcomed into the building. This wind is going straight to the building. Here we can see cluster of trees. We have not provided trees in this area, and we have provided trees here. These bunch of trees basically guides the wind to come here and go like this. So wind will come like this and go into building and come from here or come from this side. Here also wind will come like this. So this is example of scattered planning which allows free movement of air between different building blocks. Slide showing how deeper and extended eaves help in cutting glare. This is very good example. This is a person sitting or doing some meditation or yoga. This is sloping roof. See eaves, and see here there is a glare, lot of glare coming, but persons not facing any glare because of the deeper or extended eaves. Slide showing how deeper and extended eaves help in cutting glare. These openings at here will allow fresh air to come inside, and extended eaves will protect from solar glare. A slide showing raised ventilated roof for greater thermal comforts in hot and humid areas. Here in this slide we can see this is roof, these are walls, and there is a gap between walls and roofs. So this allows air to move freely between the roofs above the walls. This is example of ventilated roof. This will dissipate the building's heat in better way in hot and humid areas. And in this building also we can see the raised plinth level which provides protection from water, etc. Slide showing how greater heights of the house helps in catching wind effectively. Person enjoying cool breeze near the ridge of the roof. Here we can see this is almost the highest point of the house, ridge. And see, this is a person enjoying cool breeze because speed of the wind is a little faster at the higher levels. Slide showing use of projected roofs and pergolas to cut glare and provide shade to the windows. This is multi-story modern buildings. In this also we can see here, these are extended roofs made of very low thermal heat material. This is also extended pergola like structures here also, see. And almost all front facades are protected by extended roofs and pergola like structures. So these will protect from solar radiations and glare and allow air to come inside the building. Sorry. Slide showing open internal layouts for effective cross ventilation. This is interior of a house. See different spaces. One space is here, second space is here, third space is here. See openness in layout. See huge openings between different activities. This will allow air to move freely inside whole of the house. There are no walls. See this, second, third, this. We can see 1, 2, 3, almost 4 rooms straight. This is example of open internal planning. This will also allow air to move freely inside the building. This will dissipate body and building heat in a better way. Slide showing raised plinth levels and large openable windows to capture breeze. This we have already discussed. This is again a picture showing typical characteristics, architectural characteristics of hot and humid climate: raised plinths, sloping roofs, large openable windows, verandas, projected eaves. See the windows almost close to the ridges to capture good breeze. Here, this window will capture maximum breeze. Slide showing projected balconies being used for relaxing and study areas. This is also very good example. This slide shows a balcony provided with a small study table, chair, multi-purpose rack. This for net for relaxing. Person can see this open area. Fresh cool breeze will come from here and provide thermal comforts to the occupants who are sitting, standing or sleeping in this area. Slide showing use of thin skinned outer walls for greater thermal comforts. This we have already discussed. Again, this is slide showing extended planning to receive as much wind as possible to living areas. This is very good example. See, this is roof. See the extent it is extended from here to here in this way also. And see, this is outdoor living area, almost open but protected by huge roof. This huge roof will provide protection from solar radiations and sky glares, and here at bottom it will be a very good outdoor sitting areas for hot and humid climates. Sorry. This is slide showing minimum wall surfaces which allows air to move freely horizontally. Again, this is a building. This is a building block. We can horizontally see through it. See, we can see trees here, we can see trees here, we can see trees here. So there seems to be no walls. So in this way air can move freely horizontally. This is a very good example. This is another slide is showing huge sliding and folding windows, front wall of the house which can be opened to capture maximum breeze. Here in this slide we can see this is a person, this is a huge opening here. It is provided with these sliding and folding panels. See the height of this opening. This person is around say 5 feet 6 inches or 6 feet height, and this clear distance may be around 5 feet. So this is more than 10 feet high opening, and see the size of opening. So here whole complete wall can be folded, and this will allow maximum air to go inside the building. The person is folding the wall. This is very good example of sliding folding wall for hot and humid climate. Low heat emitting lighting devices should be used inside the buildings. Yes, as some devices emit heat, so we should select our devices which emits less heat. Like we should not use simple bulbs as these produce lot of heat. We should use compact fluorescent tubes as these produce less heat. Or heat producing areas should be separated from main activity areas. We should separate our heat producing areas. This will also allow heats to escape easily or does not interfere with our main living areas. Slide showing effective cross ventilation. This is another slide showing cross ventilation. Here we can see this is windward direction. Huge wind will come from this side, go like this, ventilate this whole area, and heat will escape from here. Air will go like this, and escapes from here and from here to here also. This will ventilate the roofing areas also and provide good and effective cross ventilation to this building. This is a sectional view. Now these are some of the examples of modern buildings with almost same features. Here in this building also we can see front facade with huge projections at roof levels, pergola type projections with of low thermal heat materials, and almost front facade is open. This is to capture cool breeze inside the building. Sorry. In this side also we can see this is front facade, and from front facade we can see the whole depth of the building. See, this is sky. We can see the sky from this front gate also. This is also the sky. So this will allow good cross ventilation. This is example of modern buildings. This is another example of modern building. Here this roof can be slided, folded, closed or opened as per our requirements. This also allows good fresh air to come inside the building as and when we need it. Sorry. This is also very good example of modern building. See the openness in design. Here we can say this is a structure, free structure, and this is huge opening. These are here also, see this is huge opening. Here this is open, some part is open, some is covered here. This allows free movement of air and provide effective cross ventilation. Almost there is an integration of outer and inner areas. This is another modern building showing very thin skinned walls. See this wall, very thin. very thin walls. This is another modern building, again showing very thin walls, projected overhangs, raised buildings. This is also very good example of a modern living areas. See the openness. This is exactly opposite of the hot and arid climate zones. See the openness in planning. This allows maximum air to come inside the building. This is also similar example. This is also very good example of a modern living room. See this openness. This huge opening allows fresh cool breeze to come inside building and provide very good thermal comfort to the users of this living room. This is very good example. See the openness. It not only provides views but also provides good effective cool breeze inside the building. Okay students, thanks. Goodbye till we meet again.